Now, 2016, we get to something, I have to say, which is genuinely interesting in this case. 2016, you were approached about customising his car, correct?
Correct.
What was the discussion, please, sir?
About July 2016, Cream approached me, asked to have his vehicle customised for a TV show.
Thank you very much. Have you been to any other vehicle modification experts other than Marky before you ended up speaking to him?
Yes, myself and my management had got in contact with 8 different companies. 5 were quite interested in the idea that I had.
Now, that's an interesting thing, and you're very honest about that. And I have to tell you, had he not been honest here, you'd been in real difficulty. The discussion effectively with the other car modification businesses was that you would enter into what you would call a commercial partnership of some description.
Yes.
What was that partnership? What was the idea?
The idea was I had in the bag another TV appearance.
In what bag? What do you mean?
I had it already. I'd been offered another TV show.
I'm going to put that down because
from
it's important.
A production company.
The word offered.
Sorry.
It's very important. Someone had offered you another TV show.
Yeah.
Now, I'm going to ask you about that in a second, but as a result of that offer, you believe, presumably, you're going to be exposed to wider publicity.
Yes.
As a consequence, you ended up speaking to these car modification businesses. What was the offer you made to them?
The offer I made to them was if they customised the car free of charge and put their name on it, product placement, all that kind of stuff, then I would be able to get the car onto the TV show in question that had asked me to do it.
No problem. That is, I have to say, a very commonplace type of arrangement. And believe it or not, that's especially, as I understand it, the situation, not necessarily, by the way, in this country, I should tell you, because there are complexities about it, very, very deep legal complexities about it. But in America, for example, if you are a desperate husband of some description, those type of partnerships are very, very commonplace. In other words, you show up and you can have your bra sponsored by whomever. Do you see?
Yes.
And understandably, people who make those bras or those costumes or those clothes pay a lot of money to put them on the backs of reality stars.
That's right.
How did he sell the show to you? What was the pitch?
Basically, that it would be broadcasted in a certain part of the UK.
Why only a certain part? Was it on a national channel or a local channel?
A local channel.
That's important. Thank you.
But the area that would have been broadcasted in, I had done previous work over there. I took a little time out of business. I took a year off, and coming back onto the bringing the business back, I thought it'd be a good direction to market this.
It's a nice way to start. How far advanced were your negotiations for taking part in that reality show?
I'd been offered the show like 7 or 8 different other celebrities had done at the time.
Now,
and
here's the thing.
I was told that I was going to drive around.
I believe you were told that. I've no doubt that that's the case, by the way. He hasn't told you porkies. He certainly hasn't told me porkies.
No.
You hadn't signed a contract yet, though, am I right? So when you say it was advanced, what they'd said is we would very much like him to take part.
Yes.
And they'd sort of given you dates to pencil out.
Yes.
Now, if you are on a commercial TV station, and I suspect that this is a commercial TV station, various rules almost certainly would preclude you from having anybody's advert on your car because it would be unfair according to the various Ofcom regulations. So the chances are that anybody filming this would have to blur out that insignia. Do you see?
Right.
It's as simple as that. It's one of the odd nuances of UK broadcasting law. Now, this gets rather difficult. What happened was that you agreed to take on the project in August 2016, correct?
Yes.
What did you do, sir?
I did vehicle body modifications with a custom designed chrome and black
What did
vinyl
you
wrap.
ask for?
I asked for it to be properly pimped. And,
Properly pimped.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed that video, then I strongly suggest clicking here for more highlights. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, and why not, so that you never miss out, subscribe. Clicking down there, that's an order.